In today's video, we're replacing and adjusting the door latch striker plate on the Porsche Boxster. This is helpful if yours is damaged or misaligned. I'm replacing mine to remedy a wobbly door at speed, and to make sure my door holds properly, because recently, a loose hinge bolt on the door caused the door to sag and repeatedly strike the striker plate incorrectly, causing wear and damage on my latch striker plate.
You hit it, see that it's moving up?
In hindsight, the first step should have been to use an erasable marker or masking tape to mark off where the old latch strike plate is. Do that now so that the new one goes in the right position.
The hardest part about this is actually finding the right socket set. It's a triple square that has 12 points, and we're going to pray to the car gods that it does not strip. So I'm going to try this with a regular socket. So just a brief comparison, we can see this one is pretty big, pretty bigger. So shiny and stuff too. The size is an M8. Oh. Because now it's all loose and that's kind of scary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna completely remove one of them, but not remove the other, and we'll see what's going on. So it does move around on the inside, which isn't good. But what we can do, there's like a mobile loose part on the inside, is we remove one bolt, see how it was oriented, install the bottom bolt to hold it in place. Latch plates installed. There we go, so it hasn't gone anywhere yet. Hopefully without twisting it out of position, we can get it installed. Okay, cool. It's good that our new one comes with a good gasket. Tight enough to hold it without stripping anything. The gasket should be tight up so that it doesn't let crud into the vehicle. Water does get in the door jamb. So all we want is this gasket to be nice and cozy on the car body. Water does get all along this side here. Here we can admire the old door latch in more detail. And we can see right here is the wear, how it's worn down. You can get into the vehicle, try and wobble the door. And that will let you know if you have a good latch too. Seems solid to me.
Substantial night and day difference. Like feeling it, it's much less not rattly. It wasn't that bad earlier, but it's much better now.